Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Paradise Garden online exclusive bundle. I'm going to use the sentiment that says wishing you a lovely day, and you're going to see that little die that looks like a hexagon. We're going to use that for the sentiment. So here we are. We're going to make a fun fold today. So I will write down all of the measurements on little post-it notes, so get your notebooks handy. We have a piece of card that is cut 4 1/4 by 11. We're going to score at 5 1/2. We're going to score it, not cut it. And then what I'm going to do is push this card to 9 1/2 inches. And I am being careful for the with my cuts here. So we're going to cut at 9 1/2, cut, not score. So this is going to be a sort of a bridge part at the bottom of our card. But and then I'm going to push this card to 7 inches. So we have an extra piece of white card. So I took the time to write on post-it notes everything. So if you know that you can pause the video and jot things down, and I am trying to make it as simple as possible, that extra piece of white is for our writing to the recipient on the inside of the card. There is also a piece of pattern paper that goes on the inside of the card. And then we have these strips here that go on the flippy flap part of the card, and also that small strip that we cut off. So hopefully that makes sense. Again, you can pause the video just there and jot down all the notes. I'm trying to keep them on screen as well. I know that a lot of folks really like the post-it notes, and especially today because it's not a Friday or a Fun Fold Friday. I am not writing a PDF because I don't have time. So I put that little piece of designer series paper with the trees and the very cute little birdies, and I put that on the basic white piece that we cut off. And then here's this other cut off. We're going to put the designer series paper, one pattern, and then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to put the other pattern, which is, it's like a pool party cross check. And then we're going to do the same with the flippy flap part of our card base. So here's the card base. We're going to fold that score line, burnish it with our bone folder, and then we're going to put the branches on, and that's what I wanted on the front of the card. So we're going to put the branches on there and then flip it open, and we're going to put that pool party crosshatch on the inside. And you'll see how this all goes together. It's lovely to use up little extra bits of pattern paper. And yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing, because this particular pattern paper is on the last chance item. So in other words, it's retiring. So you can see that big 4 1/4 by 5, no, it's 4 by 5 1/4 piece goes on the inside. So now we have, this is the bottom part, and then I'm going to fold the flippy flap down, and then I'm going to bridge it with this piece. Easy enough to do, but sometimes trying to make out where it's going to go. And I decided to cover the 2 chicky birds on that side because they're going to get covered anyway. So you don't have to, you can bridge it however you like, to be honest. I am holding the dimensional adhesive up on that bottom layer just to make sure that I have the positioning correct. And then here's a little trick. I'm putting adhesive on my card, and the adhesive is towards me. So, and then I just sort of line it up and then I close the card. So I know it's going to be hidden. And that's where our sentiment goes, or, you know, our message to the recipient. So the hexagon here has been, I put 3 dimensionals on there. And that, you guys, is my card. I don't even have to decorate the inside of the card because it's already done. So I'll leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below and I will be back on Friday. One more thing, I do have an In Color Club for Canadians that maybe want to join. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. I also have a product share that's very affordable. If you want to join, I will put that link in the description box below. And also there's a free download of your blends markers. So huzzah! Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.